Hi, this is the Galaxy F34 and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So we should first open the settings and tap to the home screen section. Here click to hide apps on home and lock screens and menu screens, and just to hide the applications you should select the apps which you want to hide and you'll find them here in hide an app section. Tap to done to save the changes and that's it. Also, you could open the settings just by another way, just by hold for a while home screen with your finger, then tap on the left down corner to the settings and tap to hide apps and home and lock screens. And by the same way you could select here the applications which you want to hide, and you could unhide them also from here just by click on the minuses near each of the apps and tap to done to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.